The expedition itself had a purpose: explore the newly acquired Louisiana territory, find a route to the Pacific Ocean, map rivers, document land, establish a presence. This wasn't curiosity. This was strategy. Thomas Jefferson commissioned it. The United States government paid for it. And Meriwether Lewis was chosen to lead it. Why Lewis? Well, because Lewis was a soldier. He was educated, and he was personally trusted by Jefferson. Lewis didn't go alone. He chose William Clark. Why Clark? Well, Clark brought leadership, mapping skill, and frontier experience. Together, they formed the Corps of Discovery. They brought a group of soldiers, frontiersmen, and specialists, including Sacagawea, who would become essential to the journey. They would travel up the Missouri River, across the Rocky Mountains, and to the Pacific Ocean, and back again. Thousands of miles, unmapped land, unknown risk, and through it all, Seaman. Seaman went with them.
Next, what Seaman actually did on this expedition.